Meaning of Hans Holbein.
Hans Holbein.
Hans Holbein.
Hans Holbein.
Hans Holbein. Hans Holbein was a German Renaissance painter known for his portraits, religious and allegorical paintings, and designs for woodcuts and stained glass. His works are characterized by their attention to detail and naturalistic rendering of the human figure. During his career, Holbein produced portraits of several notable figures, including Henry VIII and Erasmus, and worked on commissions for various European courts. He is regarded as one of the most accomplished artists of his time, and his influence can be seen in the works of later painters such as Rembrandt and Velázquez.